You are watching Kit Kabinet, and this is the inbox review of the RS models Caudron 714 in 1/72 scale. Okay, now I did a review of a Caudron 714 before, and that was the Heller one and the Mastercraft kit, which sucked a bit. But this thing from RS models, RS, is a short run injection kit, and it's way better than the Heller kit. And I'll show you what I mean in a minute. Let's have a look at the back. Nice painting schemes, camouflage options, decals are in the box of course. And let's have a look inside. Now, like the Heller kit, there aren't that many parts in this kit. It's just one sprue, that's it. And one transparency sprue, which looks very, very nice, very delicate. Almost no lens effect. And separate rear windows as well. The other was just one big canopy with a closed top. It was really weird. But this looks very good. And the rest of the sprue, the panel lining is really, really nice. Now this is a kit that looks the part. But what's also nice, if you have this kit lying around from Heller, then you can actually use this one from RS as a pattern, because they don't look that much different. It's only the detail. Like here you have the wheel wells built in the RS kit, and you can, if you still happen to have a Heller kit lying around, you can just copy all the wheel well detail and just use this one, the nice kit, as a pattern to upgrade the old kit. I believe Heller is from the 70s somewhere, early 70s. So it's really an ancient kit. But if you look, you can just... The overall dimensions of the Heller kit aren't that bad. It's just a couple of shape issues, and this RS kit is the ideal pattern for it. And also, of course, you have like proper cockpit parts, like a seat actually, and a floorboard, instrument panel, and also the engine. The engine looks much nicer with the cylinders here that are just visible. Much better wheels and extra detail. So you can all use that to upgrade a Heller kit. And of course build a nice kit of the RS model. Speaking of which, here are the decals. And they are excellent. Nicely in register, looking very good. And since you have so many options left, like if you build, for example, you want to build a French-Polish one from the RS kit, you still got German decals left, you still have the Finnish decals left, and you can easily use those for the Heller kit, because the Heller decals are like, well, kinda crap actually. But these are brilliant, really nice and thin, not too much carrier film either, so very good. Instructions, well, with that many parts, or so few parts actually, you really can't go that wrong. Famous last words. But construction looks very straightforward, and some commercial things. You can also buy these nice planes, this Devoitine and another Devoitine and a Moran-Saulnier and another Moran-Saulnier. So yeah, it's just, these are the building instructions, that's it. And yeah, a really nice, neat, detailed kit of this plane. Finally. Thank you for watching, and until the next video.